Yo, what's up guys, this is Seahawks area back with another video, and today's part 17 of my GTA series. Last episode we did a handful of missions, as always, and now we are in the preparation of the final heist. And I forgot to mute my TV as always. I'm not going to listen to any of this bull crap because I don't care about it. Now, choosing obvious. Alright, I gotta pay attention to this because I always forget. Who's the first person? Okay, first person has to be a pilot. The pilot has to be Taliana Martinez. Okay? Taliana has to be the pilot. If you pick Kareem Denz, if you haven't used him in any previous job, by the way, he has to be the train guy for this. If you haven't used him for any other job, he will crash the plane and you will lose half of the take, and it won't give you a mission failed anything. And for the gunman, it doesn't really matter. I always go with Carl for the first guy, and then not Chef. No, I want Chef. I always go with either Norm Richards or Welsh. I'm gonna go with Welsh though. He's had some experience. Alright, so obvious, Martinez for the train, or not train, pilot, Denz for the train, and then the gunman, like I said. It doesn't matter. It just matters who the drivers are. Right. Now I'm going to switch to Franklin, because if I stay as Michael, he's going to get the stupid mission with Jimmy that he has to save him from people because he's stupid. So now we wait until we get a text from Lester saying we need like the getaway car or the train, the other thing, the thing you go through the wall with. Yep, tunnel bore machine, that's what it is. Okay, we're gonna get that as Franklin. There we go. I always watch videos on how to actually do the this heist setup mission correctly. Every time I try to do it the exact same, I always get the cops on me, so I'm just gonna play it how I normally do it. Whenever I get the cops, I just simply run away from them. Whoa, that was close. Oh, I missed a turn. Turn around and hit a car, because why not? Back up, and we go. Okay. I think I'm going the right way, or I think I might have to turn up here. I'm not sure. Nice. Yeah, turn right here. Get rid of the waypoint. Alright. We're here. Do I have a suppressor on my gun? I don't. Okay, well. Do I have a suppressor? Okay, I have a suppressor on my carbon rifle, which I barely have any ammo for. Fantastic. Alright. Knock this loser out. I don't know the correct order to knock these people out in, but it doesn't matter because it's not going to work. That's fine though, I guess. Okay, maybe this guy over here. Wait. Okay, I have a suppressor on my sniper. I might try to double snipe those people up there, like get them in one. I don't get how these people aren't noticing I'm trespassing and knocking people out. Also, I know this is very boring to probably watch. Trust me, it's more boring to actually do. And a random whistle for some reason, I guess. So, after Thursday's amazing Madden performance, I don't think I can fit another Madden franchise in before 25 comes out. So... Oh, great. They all got me. I'm gonna shoot him. I'm gonna shoot the window out of this as well. And then simply run away. Run away until the cops are gone. Go through this gate. Yeah, there's a cop car behind me. And they saw me. Fantastic. Maybe they're too stupid. Okay, no, they're not too stupid. They know the gate opens. Go up this ladder. Jesus Christ, this is not working. This is not working in the slightest. Like I said, I suck with this mission. A lot. It's so hard for no reason. I guess just go this way. Oh, there's gonna be them coming around the corner. They're gonna see me. This is too difficult, man. Maybe down this way, I guess. Oh, it's probably gonna get me another hole. Actually, go up here. Okay, go. Maybe just hide over here. I'm not gonna try to drive away until I don't have cops on me. Okay, go through here. This does not take as long as it is right now, I promise. It never does. Okay, they're gone. Now we can go. I'm definitely getting a bronze on this mission, without a doubt. That's fine though, I guess. Maybe I alerted them, like, when I shot the window out of this. Or no, that was after I shot the guard. I don't know. All I know is this mission is way too hard for no reason. I don't care about you, Lester. I already know where to go. As I say that, I miss a turn. I didn't steal anything, officers, I promise. This is mine. It's totally mine, I promise. Pinky promise. Must have hit someone. Probably gonna do all the heist setups in this. Then the actual heist for its own video. So why not? Why not? And crash. Move out of the way, you chumps. Be greatly appreciated. The getaway car for this, to me, all that matters is it's a 4-seater. That's all that matters to me. Because I always go to the same spot, or the same thing every single time when I do this heist to get away from the cops. Works every time as well. Okay. And my bike's already here. Nice. I think we'll stay as Franklin for all of this. Yep, bronze. Not surprised at all. Now, whenever Lester calls us, I will start finding a getaway car. Alright, now to find just any 4-seater. I don't want it to be like a Jeep either. But I will choose a Jeep if I have to. Actually, we'll just go with this car. Why not? Get out. And this vehicle is not owned by me. Hello? Maybe this will work. I promise this vehicle is not owned by me. I had never owned something this stupid. There we go. Now you just drive it to the parking garage and then get Lester ready to call. It's around here somewhere. It's this one. And then the parking spot is this handicapped one. Boom. Simple as that. Bro's just walking in a parking garage. Kaboing. Alright, now we get the waypoint for bingo. Train. Probably just call a taxi, save the trip. Please actually have one for me. Can I get a cab right away? Sweet. Thank you. Now we just wait. Saves the trip. Saves time calling Lester. I guess we'll listen to this call until the taxi gets here. Getaway cars in the garage, Lester. Alright, train, and we're ready. And it's probably my taxi. Yep. Boom. Just skip the whole thing, and we'll be there. Alright. I don't care about you, Trevor. Okay. Cowabunga. And there's one in there. Well, that's a train. We'll bring out the shotgun for this one. Oh, really? Alright, I guess. Okay. Thought I was gonna have me restart the entire thing, not just this portion. Fine by me, I guess. Cool. Now we just wait for Trevor to get to the chopper. In the meantime, I will stand right here and I won't get hit. Because it will just cut to a cutscene. The one time I say this, it's gonna hit me. Even though I've done this 1,000 times. And it's never happened. Alright, train. Come on. I'm ready for you. Please don't squish me to bits. Yep, I was right. Okay, now we can switch to Trevor. He's at Sandy Shores Airfield with a helicopter with a magnet on the bottom, right there. Of course it has to rain as well. Why wouldn't it? We gotta get, obviously, the part of the train that you drive, and then just one of the flatbeds. There's plenty to choose from. And I'm not good at flying in this game, especially when it's in the rain. Yeah, don't mind us, truck. We're just flying around train parts back and forth. Why not? Nothing wrong with it at all. Completely normal. I promise. Alright, so now we lower it onto that truck if you can see it through the foggy, rainy weather. Now we lower it. So, then it just does that. Then we get a flatbed and do the exact same thing. What did I just hit? Very simple mission, except I failed it somehow. How can someone, like, fly through this kind of crap? Like, if there's actually, like, pilots that have... I'm sure there's pilots that have flown through stuff like this. How do you see? Like, I can barely see as it is because my glasses are kind of outdated. But, like, this is brutal. Alright, we'll take this on, yeah. Alright. You guys see the Mike Tyson and Jake Paul interview where Jake Paul said he wants to, I think, quote unquote, kiss Mike's big juicy lips? Why? I really hope Jake Paul gets knocked out into a medical induced coma and never wakes up. I have no issue saying that. Jake Paul, just the Paul brothers, are pieces of crap. And they're fake fighters. That's all I'm gonna say about it. Besides, also, prime worst sports drink ever. That is all I'm gonna say about the Paul brothers. Alright, easy mission. 75%. And a tradition I do at the end of the mission every time. Doing this won't make you redo the mission, by the way. Sweet. And now we get the official call from Lester. And the big heist is ready to do at the strip club. Well, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe. And turn the notification bell on so you'll never miss an upload. I will see you in the next video. Go Hawks!